Now I request Dr. KVGS Murthy to come on to the dais. Please come, sir. Dr. Murthy, basic qualification is MBBS. He is into drug development. Now, while we have Ayurvedic formulations overnight manufactured nowadays, here is a person who has taken it in a very systematic manner and then has come out very few, very effective formulations. Sir, please be seated, sir. Please be seated, sir. Well done, sir. Formulations, and many formulations he has patented. All are herbal. He has about 8 research works in his hand now. One is two on cancer management, and one is on anti-inflammatory drugs. All are herbal combinations. Then another one is on viral infection, including HIV, hepatitis. Then most important thing is he's working on a drug formulation on eclampsia and pre-eclampsia. Then to address stress, he's working on another project. One more project on non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. Then another one is on adipose tissue dysfunction and obesity. All are herbal formulations. Today he is going to talk on a combination, a formulation, Cardorium Plus. Please, sir.
Thank you very much. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And I thank Dr. Rita Mahajanji and organizers to giving me this opportunity. So this is vascular endothelium. Just little background. Yeah. Now at this work, what I have done is evidence-based Indian system came out with a drug can address most advanced research in the medical field, in the Western field. That's what is that one is this one. As per World Health Organization, diabetes, hypertension, obesity, cardiovascular disease are ever increasing, irrespective of the billions of dollars of expenditure done on the research. The one common thing is all diseases are associated with inflammation and vascular endothelial dysfunction. Dr. Douglas Wallace, who has done the research on mitochondria, made it very clear, why can't we solve common complex diseases like type 2 diabetes, obesity and hypertension apart from many. Now Times magazine cover the thing is, the secret color is inflammation. Inflammation is associated with so many diseases. So now coming back to the integration and system of medicine, aspirin is the first drug, came out by the Bayer in 1899. Till then everything is same. Anywhere in the world is the same, using herbs or etc. Modern medicine initiated only almost I can say 120 years back. Now when we call the integration of conventional allopathic, we don't know how we have to put it, this WHO resolution. Allopathic system age is only 120 years. Ayurveda, Egyptian medicine, Chinese medicine age is more than 7,000 years. They made this as an alternate medicine. They made allopathic medicine as a mainstream. So the mainstream medicine is by bringing together, we can strengthen the balances and weaknesses inherent in the different systems. The present approach, what we are working out is an integration, bringing all kinds of therapies into the one platform for the benefit of the patients. Now coming to the endothelial dysfunction is associated with many diseases. We have shown approximately around 27 diseases only here. In fact, that is associated with 120 diseases. Right from stroke, dementia, Alzheimer's disease, macular degeneration, heart attack, heart failure, pulmonary hypertension, erectile dysfunction, diabetes, etc., all are connected with the vascular system. Now, the organ which we are addressing is endothelium. That is the most left part of his is that particular blood vessel as it is without any modifications. We can stop the progress at the level. But unfortunately, until we come to the extreme right level, blockages are there, then only symptoms will come. By the time a patient comes to a doctor, the symptoms are going to be 70 to 80% blockage will be there. Then only we are addressing the situation. Because the endothelium is a strategic location in the blood. So it can do many things as a single cell layer. And for that purpose, they got a Nobel Prize. That is a wonder molecule is nitric oxide. They got a Nobel Prize in 1998. So this endothelium per se organ, if you connect the blood vessels of a one person, you can turn the entire earth 2.5 times. If you can spread it, it can be spread as a 6 tennis courts. If you weigh the single cell layer, it will be more than liver. So that size of organ, we are trying to address with a 10 ml or 15 ml of our drug. That is 60,000 miles length organ, circulatory system, which we are trying to address, and with only just a 10-15 ml of drug. So this endothelial function came into the clinical practices only in 2010. 2006 only, fingertip, this one they have done it, fingertip test they came out with this one, and by Etmar, Israeli company. How to assess endothelial function they came out by that time only. Previously only they used to do by invasive method. By dilating the brachial artery etc. they had used to try the function. Non-invasive method, fingertip tonometry, they came only in 2006. So vascular endothelial function dysfunction came into the clinical practice by 2010, but Ayurvedic formulation to address vascular endothelial dysfunction ready by 2007. Our formulation is ready by 2007. I am only formulator, I will never say, cannot say the inventor. Reason is all the ingredients, for example, Terminalia arjura, Inulor racemosa, that is Arjuna, Pushkarmul, Gokshura, Jetamansi. The 4 Herbs medicinal values are already mentioned in Setapada Brahmana. That is equivalent to the Rigveda time. So almost we can say 7,000 years back, their medicinal value already recorded. Now we have nothing to do anything, just to mix them. So next 2 products are there, Rhododendron arboreum, Burans flower, and Sibaktarn, Hippopyramonides. They are the basis of the Himalayan terrains. In China, more than 2,500 years, Sibaktarn medicinal value was already recorded. In fact, in our Himalayan ranges also it was recorded about our Rhododendron arboreum. In Charaka Samhita and Sushruta Samhita, they came as Kurbaka area of the drugs, they have written it, that one. So just I formulated, mixed them only, not invented, right? So for all the drug, we have done the basic preclinical studies. All the toxicology studies done, lipid lowering activity was done, antioxidant activity was done. All the studies were presented in 79th European Atherosclerosis Society in Gothenburg, Sweden in 2011. They came in the Science Direct, that particular poster's details are came in. Next, we have done our clinical study with Nizam Institute of Medical Sciences in association with BRKR Government Ayurvedic College, Hyderabad, by Dr. Prabhakar Reddy, Associate Professor, and Dr. Ravi Kumar, HOD Dravyaguna. Together they have conducted our studies, and the study reports are basically on endothelial function, used Sigma-Core Australian machine to assess the endothelial function, and biomarkers of inflammation, TNF-alpha, IL-6 and C-reactive protein, and oxidative stress, and also insulin improvement activity, all this done on 120 subjects with all the ethical committee clearances. And the paper presented in July 2016 at Nizam Institute of Medical Sciences itself by none other than Dr. Gopakumar, the best National Ayurveda Award Teacher Award winner. He presented my product there. When I requested, he came all the way from them. Everybody, including the Dean of Nizam Institute of Sciences, felt they wanted to set up an Ayurveda Excellence Center in Nizam Institute of Medical Sciences. That kind of presentation came by Dr. Gopakumar. So this we have presented in 7th World Ayurveda Congress at Kolkata. There we have got awarded a appreciation prize for endothelial dysfunction, etc. This is the few cases I am discussing with you, how the blockages were there in Takayasu's arthritis, and the patient not using anything at all. They were fed up. There is no treatment for Takayasu's arthritis, autoimmune disease. Postpartum it will come. All blood vessels will be inflamed, blockages will come, death will come. So those people used only our Cardorim Plus, improvement was recorded. By that time, generally in allopathy, once blocks are there, blocks will not go. In our allopathy, our doctors even today say, once blocks came, they will not go. But this is shown very clearly with evidence. Blocks can be reduced with as simple as with our Cardorim Plus. Next important thing is heart pumping capacity, left ventricular ejection flow. There is no drug today, even today, in anywhere in the world to improve the EF percentage. When I went to the 3 HODs of cardiology, I requested them give us a protocol. I got a drug. He said, we don't have any drug. How can we give you a protocol? They told me. I told them, okay, then I'll go to ICMR and work it out with them for a protocol. Because this right from 2008 to 2019, the EF percentage improvement was recorded in a continuously reproducible manner. And coming to the insulin resistance diabetes, those people who are taking insulin level also, in for example, in the third 14.8 cases, insulin 70 units they is taking. Once we added our Cardorim Plus, insulin has brought down to 20 units, HbA1c also brought down to 9 within 60 days. Like that, the drug is useful in there. One thing is very clear, the drug works on only circulatory system. Once endothelium has been corrected, insulin uptake will be automatically corrected. So available insulin come into the usage, thereby HbA1c has brought down. This is the post-amputation. The ulcer is not healing. Once we added Cardorim Plus, within 1 month started getting healing. Diabetic foot ulcer, they have done already amputation. In fact, they could have saved the limb. But the case came to us post-amputation, this one. And this is a case of renal failure, diabetic retinopathy, and diabetic kidney failure, as well as diabetic cardiomyopathy. So from 7 to 4.40 creatinine has been brought down without dialysis, and 22% pumping capacity improved to 35%. This is the about our drug. Just I wanted to share the information with you. And this is Ardhanarishwara. This is the Kartika Masa, is a very good for Shiva. Actually, our study has done only one part, vascular system only. Another most important part is nitric oxide is equally important in neurotransmission. It's one of the important neurotransmitter. That neurology system we are yet to do the studies and record it properly, evidence-based. And coming to the energy medicine, I'm a days old baby about the energy medicine. I can put purely that is the voltage potentials. Electricity in the, by correction of the energy medicine, definitely we can definitely treat the particular disease properly. Because they've already done, Norton-Storm already identified biologically closed electrical circuits. That is vascular closed circuit for the blood vessels, vascular interstitial closed circuit for the capillaries, and vascular interstitial neuromuscular circuit for the junctions. He has already identified. By correction of them, definitely this is directly connected to the circulatory system. That's why I only taken this portion. By correction of the voltage systems or otherwise electrical potentials, you can definitely correct it. That's the situation. They have done it for neuromuscular junction activity, this one. This one. The electroaggression of platelets can promote thrombosis in capillaries, and a malignant tumor grows, the inner cells are cut off from circulatory system and slowly perish. This was well recorded one regarding the energy medicine. Now, integration of the different systems of medical fields may bring economically affordable, evidence-based and result-oriented treatment protocols. This is the order of the day. We request everybody to associate, work out a right kind of protocols. So definitely we can do something. Thank you very much.